What's up, guys? So I'm back. I decided to post another video, and for the specific reason that I thought that this time frame here and this chart from yesterday's video was the most interesting one. So we're looking at the weekly chart of Bitcoin USDT. And specifically what I want to look at is what I mentioned yesterday is that we're almost crossing here, that we're almost getting a cross between the MA20 and the MA25. So the MA20 is very close to falling below the MA25. And a couple of things that I pointed out. First of all, this pattern that I've been talking about over a month now for about 5 weeks here on Tradingview and on social media that is repeating like a bearish pattern that turned out that had a bullish reversal afterwards, where we see here a head and shoulder pattern that turned out to new all-time high afterwards, and will look like we're exactly repeating a lot of things here. And a lot of people are saying that we are actually just completing the head here, but I'm put the option on the table that we already completed that and the shoulder actually, and went then the peak of the shoulder and are down here to the bottom where we completed the left shoulder and went up to the head. This we were right in this area where we already touched in the exact same area. So this is the way I look at it. Of course, I understand as well that this could only be the head finished. We could go back up to 53K and then actually confirm the head and shoulders pattern this time and break down and complete the shoulder down here in the 29K area. This could happen. This could happen from that this is the peak or we're still making the peak, but either way, this area here is in play. What I want to look at, where this area comes into play even more. One thing that already happened, the video that I posted last week and the video that I posted yesterday, I spoke about one specific thing where we have not closed under the, in this example of the head and shoulder pattern, after we completed the right shoulder, we fell briefly below the EMA ribbon, jumped back up twice in a row. Here, now, where we're repeating this head and shoulder pattern, we actually already closed below the EMA ribbon. Slightly more bearish on this side now, and we are actually still below it. So for more bullish look of things, we want to actually get back into the EMA ribbon here. Then the most bearish thing of them all that I talked about yesterday is not that we already closed below the EMA ribbon, is the crossing here. That like this is something. The last time the MA25 has been above the MA20 here on the weekly was back in May 2020. So if you can see that here, here's the last time. After that, we went on this bull run here. And yeah, so it almost happened after we completed the shoulder here and then did not fall down, actually ended up rallying, what I already talked about here. So we're looking now, is this going to fall below? That would be a very bearish sign. Or is it going to bounce again and we're going to avoid the crossing here and going to go back up and test these heights here in the 65 to 69K area? Very interesting to look at specifically those indicators. The EMA ribbon, look at the specifically right now, the most interesting thing on the weekly to look at is if we can stay without crossing it. So obviously the weekly candle will close again Sunday night or Monday morning, whichever way you want to look at it. And then we'll find out about it. But for now, I'll keep my eye on it. I'll recommend you do the same, and then we'll see where we're going, because this would be obviously, this is on a larger time frame on the weekly here, and then obviously we haven't had this scenario happen since such a long time. If that would happen in combination with the close here, we could actually continue then complete this head and shoulder pattern here and then fall into this box down here of 32K to 29K. And yeah, so thanks for watching again, and please, if you appreciate this video and all my other posts, then please leave me a like, comment, share, Comments are very much appreciated, especially if you tell me what you would like to see or what I could do different quality wise, or about my actual content, what you would change about it. I would really appreciate that. So happy trading to you all, and see you very soon. Take care, guys.